Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth, while others struggle with money despite their best efforts? The answer may lie in understanding the psychology of money, the complex interplay between our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors when it comes to financial matters. Exploring this fascinating topic can shed light on the hidden forces that shape our relationship with money and empower us to make more conscious, intentional choices. Let's dive in. What is the psychology of money? At its core, the psychology of money is the study of our behaviors, attitudes, and decision-making processes related to finances. It's not just about numbers and calculations. It's about understanding the underlying psychological factors that influence how we perceive, manage, and interact with money. As Morgan Housel, the author of The Psychology of Money, explains, success with money isn't about knowledge, IQ, or how good you are at math. It's about behavior, and everyone is prone to certain behaviors over others. But what exactly are these behaviors, and how do they manifest in our financial lives? Let's dive deeper. Why the psychology of money matters. Self-awareness is a powerful tool for personal growth and achieving financial success. By understanding our unique money mindsets, strengths, weaknesses, and tendencies, we can identify potential roadblocks and make meaningful changes to improve our financial well-being. Just like personality tests, such as the Enneagram, can provide insights into our overall behavior, exploring the psychology of money can shed light on our financial habits, motivations, and decision-making processes. It allows us to uncover the root causes of our money struggles and develop strategies to overcome them. But how do we begin to unravel the complexities of our financial psyche? One approach is to explore the key factors that influence our money mindset. Factors that influence your money mindset. Number 1. Spender versus saver. Are you naturally inclined to spend or save your money? Some people find it effortless to accumulate savings, while others experience an innate urge to spend as soon as money comes their way. Identifying your tendencies can help you strike a balance and avoid extremes that can lead to financial struggles. Number 2. Nerd versus free spirit. Do you thrive on meticulously tracking every penny, or do you prefer a more relaxed approach to budgeting? Some people derive satisfaction from organizing their finances down to the last detail, while others find strict budgeting restrictive and prefer a more flexible approach. Understanding your style can help you find a system that works for you. Number 3. Safety versus status. Are you driven by a desire for financial security or a need for status and recognition? Some people prioritize building a financial safety net, while others are motivated by the ability to acquire symbols of success and social status. Recognizing your motivations can help you prioritize your spending and make more aligned decisions. Number 4. Family and childhood influences. The way your parents talked about money and the financial circumstances you grew up in can shape your attitudes and behaviors toward finances from an early age. Our early experiences with money often leave lasting imprints on our psyche, influencing our perceptions and tendencies as adults. Number 5. Risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with taking financial risks? Some people have a high tolerance for risk, while others prefer to play it safe. Your risk tolerance can influence your investment decisions, entrepreneurial ventures, and overall approach to building wealth. Number 6. Financial goals and values. Your financial goals and the values you associate with money can significantly influence your money mindset. For example, someone who values financial independence may prioritize saving and investing, while someone who values experiences may be more inclined to spend on travel and leisure. By exploring these key factors, you can begin to unravel the complex web of psychological influences that shape your financial mindset. But understanding your tendencies is just the first step. The real challenge lies in harnessing this self-awareness to create positive change in your financial life. How does the psychology of money affect your decisions? Your money mindset influences countless small decisions you make each day, often without even realizing it. These decisions can have far-reaching consequences on your financial well-being, so it's crucial to understand how your psychology of money can shape your choices. For example, if you tend to value status, you may be more likely to justify luxury purchases that make you feel successful, even if they strain your budget. You might rationalize buying an expensive car or designer handbag as a symbol of your success, dismissing the long-term financial implications. On the other hand, if financial security is your primary motivation, you might find it challenging to invest in long-term opportunities that involve short-term risks, even if they promise greater potential rewards. Your fear of losing your safety net may outweigh the potential for growth, causing you to miss out on lucrative investment opportunities. Your risk tolerance also plays a significant role in your financial decision-making. If you have a high tolerance for risk, you may be more inclined to take on entrepreneurial ventures or make aggressive investment choices. However, if you have a low risk tolerance, you might opt for more conservative options, even if they offer lower returns. Your money mindset can also influence your spending habits. If you have a scarcity mindset, you may find it difficult to spend money on experiences or self-care, as you constantly worry about not having enough. This can lead to a cycle of deprivation and resentment, ultimately harming your overall well-being. Conversely, if you have an abundance mindset, you may be more open to investing in yourself and your personal growth, as you view money as a tool to enhance your life rather than a scarce resource to hoard. Embracing self-awareness for financial growth. The journey to financial well-being isn't just about acquiring knowledge. It's about embracing self-awareness and using that understanding to cultivate positive habits and behaviors. As Dave Ramsey, a renowned personal finance expert, has said, personal finance is 20% head knowledge and 80% behavior. While understanding financial principles is essential, it's our ability to translate that knowledge into consistent, mindful actions that truly determines our success. By exploring the psychology of money, you can tap into the power of your mind, thoughts, and will to create lasting change in your financial life. You can identify the root causes of your money struggles, whether it's a tendency to overspend, a fear of taking risks, or a deep-seated belief that money is scarce. With this awareness, you can develop strategies to overcome these obstacles and cultivate a healthier, more empowered relationship with money. It might involve setting up accountability systems to curb overspending, reframing your beliefs about risk and reward, or practicing mindfulness techniques to manage financial stress and anxiety. The key is to approach this journey with patience, compassion, and a willingness to explore the depths of your financial psyche. Remember, true transformation takes time and effort, but the rewards of financial well-being and peace of mind are invaluable. Remember, the pursuit of financial success is a complex and deeply personal journey. By understanding the psychology of money and embracing self-awareness, you can unlock the potential to build a healthier and more sustainable relationship with your finances. If you found value in this content, please like this video, share it with others who might benefit from exploring their financial mindsets, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering insights and strategies.